Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to level up your pals faster in Palworld. So, aside from going to the settings of your game and tweaking the multiplier for your XP, it's pretty simple. When it comes to Palworld, everything is very linear. And if you want to level up your pals, as you can see, we have a level 6 Pendulate and level 7 Nicotiva. It's very easy. All you need to do is fight and catch. But as you can see, there we go. And let's bring out our Pendulate for Cativa. There you go. Okay. As you can see, this was level 6. Now it's level 12. It's doubled because we pretty much defeated, knocked out 2 pals, right? Plus this XP modifier for this seed, for this save, is at maximum. So it's very simple. Just fight and then just, you know, catch as much as you can. Because when it comes to Palworld, unlike Pokemon, with Pokemon you just need to catch one or a couple of your breeding IVs, you know, for competitive. But with Palworld, no, you don't really need to do that. You need to do more because you need a lot more. You know, on bare bones basics, you need 10 of each. If you want to breed, you need more than that. So again, you know, catch and fight. That's pretty much the name of the game for Palworld. And that's it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and that bell icon. See you on the next one.